So today we are doing a tutorial for the song BO MOLELEKWA by Moses Molelekwa. So this song was actually requested by someone on my Instagram called Mutsa B, and he sent me a message saying, could you please do either BO MOLELEKWA or One for All, All for One by BO MOLELEKWA. Actually, at the time of this request, I had done the song as a solo piano piece for my final master's recital. So I'm going to be doing BO MOLELEKWA. So this song I've transcribed entirely myself. But if there are any discrepancies that you hear, you know, whether it be chords or notes within the chords, you know, you can just be like, I don't know, things or not, something sounds fishy. You can just make a comment in there, but I think pretty much what's on the record is what I'm going to be showing you today. Yeah.
Okay, can you show us on the piano?
Okay, let's go to the piano. Hey guys, so now let me take you through the song as best that I can. Okay, so the song is in the key of F, one of my favorite keys to play in. Okay, so here we're dealing with a South African, more traditional Marabi style song. There's actually a mixture of SA style with some African American jazz voicings here, and I'm going to talk a little bit about them, but first let me take you through the song. Okay, so it starts on chord 1, which is a triad, and the melody. And here it just goes to chord 3, which is kind of a passing chord to chord 4. It says this would be an inversion. It's kind of like you can treat the chord 3 as chord 3, like a minor in this kind of sense. Or he also kind of suggests a triad, like a 1/3 kind of vibe, certainly in this inversion. That's definitely like a 3 kind of style voicing, but you can also put the 7th here. And it does kind of like a 4th voicing, a 4th voicing B flat 13 major, which is chord 4. So and here we have, goes back to chord 1. Here basically what's happening, it goes to chord 1, but chord 1 becomes a flat 7, but chord 1 becomes a dominant chord. And what's nice about what he's doing in the left hand is that he's using left hand voicing. So rootless voicings always start from the flat 7 or from the 3rd. So you could start from the flat 7 and then it does, so it's 13, flat 13 to B flat major 13. He uses a lot of 4th voicings in this composition. So here we have a kind of 4th voicing again with a major 3rd on top. So it's a B flat 13 chord with a 9 and a 5. And then here what it does, it descends to the chord 2 via half step dominance. Here we have a kind of altered 13 chord. This is a also 4th voicing shape, which I think is what gives it the cool sound, which is a 13 flat 9 chord. So this is also another kind of like a or augmented 4th, would you say? Between here anyway. But obviously the melody goes to C. Then this is just a G flat minor 9. Here this is classic South African style type of suspended voicing. It's like chord 2/5, then chord 1/5, then chord 1. So the whole thing is right, which that repeats basically about is it 2 or 4 times, but that repeats a little minor changes in the melody. Then there's a change, a slight change. I think that happened, those are the last 2 endings. This is just a chord 4. It's actually more like chord 2/3 in the bass, like G minor, or you could think of it as B flat 6. Probably more B flat 6. So the only thing that changes is the melody, or you can make it B flat 7. I don't think it does that though in the song, but also sounds cool. that happens twice. And then the next section is here's just chord 1 with 3 in the bass, 3, 4, 3 with the second inversion. Again, we have this A flat 13 going downward to the chord 2. We have a G flat, G minor 9. I feel like I'm mixing my speech all the time. He kind of uses this voicing, he sticks with the same voicing. He sticks to the same voicing. That happens 4 times. Then here we go to here a more traditional style, tribal sound, which is the 2 non-diatonic chords after the other. So it's a pure G major chord. I'm actually not sure if he added the flat 7, but I don't know if I heard that. It sounded more clean. Yep. And it does like a blues thing. This is kind of this is kind of play on the blues between the flat 3 and the major 3, which I mean that's very typical of blues. I guess by virtue of the blues scale over a dominant chord. That's why you can get away with a flat 3 and a major 3 in the blues. The blues scale has a minor 3, but it's usually played over a dominant chord. So chord. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.